Ahoy fellow tuners and welcome to Tune R. And right now nandito tayo sa harap ng Hobby Ali Shop. Yep, yung gandang signage na yan mismo ang Hobby Ali Shop. And sa mga nagtatanong kung saan ba nakalocate itong shop na to, well, nandito tayo along EDSA corner FPJ Avenue, Muñoz area, Quezon City. And yes, very accessible siya sa carousel or LRT. So what's new nga ba dito sa Hobby Ali Shop na to? Well, gusto ko na siyang tawaging Hobby Ali North dahil yes, ito mismo ang Hobby Ali North dahil dito. And there you go, fellow tuners, welcome to Hobby Ali South. Like I said, ito Hobby Ali North, and now the newest branch ng Hobby Ali, ang Hobby Ali South. So stay tuned sa aking next video for the looks inside. Tara tune!